our hotel is just a little bit back near Walking Street in District 1. So they'll still go even though the lights are red. Not quite as crazy as Hanoi, but you know, if we're talking percentages, it's probably only about 10% less crazy. There's a church next to us. I'm trying to give you some landmarks of where we are. I don't know which church this is. It looks quite pretty. It's got a little grotto. Would you call it a grotto? Area here, sort of outdoor worship area. So we're not far. I remember the church yesterday when we walked through, so we're not far. Find this Banh Mi place. Somebody's put some rice down for these pigeons.
Not scattering the pigeons.
No, they're not bothered.
I thought they'd all fly.
I expected them all to take off. Hello. See, here's a Banh Mi 10K. So this is a local Banh Mi shop. The lady's got the laughing cow cheese and the pate and bits and pieces. So that's a 10,000 dong Banh Mi, which is probably around about maybe 50 cents US. There is one nearer to us that actually is about 20,000, but it looks a little bit, maybe a slightly better than that one, but a little bit plain. But what I liked about this place, if we can find it, is that it was so busy. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Now it's nowhere near so busy today, but then we're sort of just a little bit after midday. But look at this. Look at the pate, the meatballs, the meat here. Thank you, Amon. Is this chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
Pork?
Yes, and chicken.
Chicken. This one beef?
Beef, yes. Pork.
Okay.
Ham.
Ham.
Pate, pork.
Pate. And you do like mixed?
Yes, make a pate, mayonnaise, everything.
Everything. And beef?
Number one.
Or beef also, or with beef?
No, beef. Beef, only beef.
How much is the only beef?
35,000.
35. One of these, yeah?
You want spicy?
Little. So in goes firstly that beautiful pate.
Pate, pork.
And mayonnaise.
Yes, mayonnaise.
Then mixture of all the different meats. So there's chicken, there's ham.
That ham.
Okay.
Ham. Onion. Korean.
Yeah, beautiful. Love.
Cucumber, yes.
Yeah, love.
Carrot.
Perfect. Carrot, salads. Okay. Yes. How beautiful. So I'm gonna try first a mixed one. What I want to do is try the standard 35,000 dong Banh Mi, which, look at that. How gorgeous is that? And then I want to have the beef Banh Mi. We're pretty hungry today, aren't we, Michelle?
Yeah.
Are you? Michelle's starving. Bless her, she's had nothing to eat all day. Go on, you go first. You go first.
You want to take me for coffee? I said no, food first.
Food first. Yeah?
Wow.
Good Banh Mi? Okay, let me go. Okay. Oh, that's a lovely Banh Mi. The pate is so rich and it's greasy. It's got mayonnaise in there. It looks like butter, doesn't it, that mayonnaise, but it's actually mayonnaise. A greasy pate. I said to Michelle, we'll go for coffee. And she said, we haven't eaten yet. I really, you know, it's after midday. We've had no breakfast. That is good. Let's get a beef one ordered. Okay, so this is the beef banh mi. It's a lot less full than I thought. I really wanted some of that pork floss. I'm not sure what I meant to do to ask for the pork floss, but anyway, we've got the beef banh mi. It's almost like a falafel. Really delicious. Nice. You like? It's a delicious banh mi. The lady's making another one here. Let's get them paid. That's 70,000 dong for 2 banh mi.
I like the first one best with the pate and everything.
Yes,
really
it's much moister. This is a little bit dry, but spicy. Really nice flavour. Those meatballs are like, I think like a falafel almost, but with lots of chili. Really delicious. Great bread. Let's have a little look in here. Look, they've got so much bread back here. The baguette. I think they're baking the baguette here. I want to at some point get that floss. I don't know. Come on, someone in the comments let me know what I should have asked for to get the floss put in there. Probably just pointed at the floss. I think we picked a good one. There is one right next to the hotel, which was 20, but it didn't look as good as this. Back in Vietnam. Nice place, beautiful. Just a block, half a block from the sandwich shop on the opposite side of the road. G Point Coffee. Vietnamese latte. She says it's with condensed milk and with sweet milk and Vietnamese drip coffee. So I'm looking forward to that. It doesn't look a lot different to what I had this morning in the little alleyway for 15,000. Very similar. Ooh, it is good though. It was good though in the little alleyway where we stopped.
It was.
We had a very similar thing to this in a little alleyway. A guy made for 17,000. It wasn't. So this is about 10 more, but it's a much nicer atmosphere. This is. So we kind of have had a Vietnamese latte, although they just called it a milk coffee. I was kind of a little bit hoping they were going to somehow drip the coffee in.
Be like a fin.
Yeah, and I think I asked for hot. I think I asked for hot. Not to worry. It's like melted ice cream, melted coffee ice cream. It's delicious. Oh, I need a haircut, Michelle. That's one of the first things I was going to do when I got to Vietnam is go and get a shave and a haircut, which I will do very shortly. And one or two of you have said you want to see the haircuts back in the video, so I might try and do that if I can find the right place. Okay, we've worked out why I've got the flashing lights, because I'm set on cinematic. So now I should be able to get this without the flicker. Yes, that's better, the frame rate. So I was just saying to you, without the flicker in the background, look, I've got to get a haircut. It's one of the things that I said I would do soon after arriving in Vietnam. We've been here a day and a half, and a lot of you have said you like to see the haircut, so maybe I'll see if I can film it. We'll decide. There's a little place just down this alleyway here, just upstairs. I can see up there, a little barber shop above the New Delhi and Indian restaurant. Let's go and check this place out. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Can I make a video?
Okay.
With the haircut, yeah?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Okay. I like.
Okay, so we're gonna get this hair sorted out and shave sorted out. Get myself feeling a bit fresher. Gentleman's just checking how short do I want to go. I like going reasonably short in this hot weather. It's tricky when your hair gets short on the top because my hair's quite thin, but I prefer it cut that bit shorter because it's kind of okay, so he's going to do a little shave around the edge. Thank you, Ramon.
No.
Yeah. Okay, we've had a little shave. Good job, man. Good. Yeah. A little bit of wax going in. Thank you. Thank you, man. Good job. I feel younger. Wow. Feel a lot better now, man. So fresh. That guy's great. So he's the Hot Top 80 barber shop just on the corner opposite the Saigon Star Hostel.